OPPO presented the third generation of its extended reality glasses during the Mobile World Congress. Although OPPO apparently did not attend this event in a very big way as in other years, it has presented a novelty. Although again it is only a prototype, even though they are already naming it as if it were the third generation. It is actually the third generation of a prototype, but it looks very interesting because they look like normal glasses. In this case, they now integrate OPPO's generative artificial intelligence called Andy's GPT, which connected to the cell phone can give you information simply by voice. These glasses weigh 50 grams and have an advanced mechanism that makes you see a screen, which in this case is 50% brighter than the last generation. And through this screen, you can get to see information or answers that Andy's GPT will give you. So through these glasses, you can enable the voice assistant to ask it whatever you want. It also has touch interaction, so through them you could also control music, calls, view information, explore images with the color screen and more. It also has speakers and microphones for excellent interaction. So these are very advanced glasses but not yet for sale. However, OPPO is said to be working closely with partners such as Qualcomm, MediaTek, Google, and even Microsoft. So it is said that they could soon be connected to Microsoft's Copilot to have even greater artificial intelligence directly from the lenses. So it looks like a very interesting product, but it seems that where it is costing OPPO is in getting to launch the final product with collaborations of the various partners to result as an attractive product.